Welcome today in front of me LENOVO Tab P12 Pro, and I'll show you the loudest speaker level of this device. So I'll do this with the help of the decibel meter, and now I'll set here the maximum mode. This mode means that when the decibel meter will reach the highest volume of our device speakers here, so this value will change. So let's start. So as we can see, our device reach 112.1 decibels. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.